In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair the Sony SA-D40 multimedia speaker system, this one, to a smartphone. First, I will go to the Bluetooth settings page and I'm going to, stay here, switch on Bluetooth, and I'm going to stay here for a while. Next step is to connect this device to a power outlet. I have already done that. I have connected the power socket over here, and now I'm going to connect the satellites. How am I going to do this? So these are the jacks that come out of the satellite speakers, and there are 4 connecting ports over here. I'm just going to connect them very fast. So here we go. The speakers are now connected to the subwoofer. I'm going to turn it on now. So as I shown earlier, this is the power button. You'll notice that this is glowing red right now because it's connected. I'm going to there. Once I press, it's showing this red LED light, but it's under the TV section. There you can see it's under TV. I'm going to press this function button over here to change it to Bluetooth. Notice that when I'm at Bluetooth, it basically blinks this particular blue light. Now time to go back to the to my smartphone, and over here I'm going to search for new devices. I'm getting a SA-D40 option. There you can see. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on pair. Time to play some music and see what this is like. And this is it. This is how you pair the Sony SA-D40 multimedia speaker system to a smartphone. Thank you for watching.